This is the MTPredictor weekly update. Again, this is the weekly chart now of the YM, and I'm just going to put the Elliott wave analysis back on here. You see we came up into that minimum wave 5 resistance. We had our DP, our decision point resistance area that has held as well, and the market sold off there. It got back above the 50 period moving average, but it's been kind of bouncing here in between the 50 and the 200 period moving average on the weekly, and you can see it's kind of consolidating in here. Now this is Fed week coming up, so we'll get a decision on interest rates this week, so expect the market to be slow early, and then once we get the rate decision out of the way, we'll see what happens if we start moving and getting below the weekly 50 period, or if we start making a move back to the weekly 200 period. We'll see. We'll just take a peek then at the daily chart here, the YM as well. Okay, here's the daily chart of the YM, and you can see we've come above the 200-day moving average. We've started to base above that. If I project a decision point off this prior swing high here, I'm just going to select my decision point tool. It's going to give me an area of potential resistance, an area where the market, if it comes up into this 10,800 area, will have to make a decision. Either it's going to take it out, or it's going to hold as resistance and come back down and maybe test the 200-day on the way back down here. So we'll see. Right now we got to get that, see what the Fed says, get that out of the way, and then we'll see. So kind of in a holding pattern until then. And then let's just take a look at our gold trades. Okay, here's our gold chart. We had our, again, our 5-wave pattern up with gold. Here was our 5-wave off the TS4 long, by the way. 5-wave pattern up into the typical wave 5 resistance. We got a DP to go short there, then a long setup with the bigger trend, and I'll put the analysis on the current trade here and see where we are. And you can see now we've gotten all the way to that 12-to-1 target in gold. A massive trade there, massive target. And so we'll see now. Gold is at another decision point area. Either it's going to take this area out, and we'll need to see a reversal bar, maybe that red reversal bar, that maybe that peaks its head outside of this resistance area, and then we get a close above that area to the upside, and maybe we get more upside in gold. If not, this is going to hold, maybe consolidate, maybe sell off from here. We'll see. Just take a look and see if there's no current pattern on the chart right now. So we'll see. Gold has hit the target. We've been watching this one for a while, from the sell-off down to the long, up to the target here. So I hope that's helpful. Again, get the Fed out of the way, and we'll take a look at some things next week.